Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to be talking about how to buy shares in Nigerian stock market. If you've ever thought about investing in the Nigerian stock market but have no idea where to start, this video is for you. I'm going to break it all down for you. From what shares are, who can buy them, where to buy them, and even how my own personal investment have performed in the last 1 month. So grab a seat and let's make sense of the stock market together. So what are shares? Shares, also known as stocks or equities, are units of ownership in a company. When you buy a share, you literally buying a piece of that company. If the company does well, your investment grows. If it doesn't, well, you lose some money. But don't worry, this video will help you avoid losing money. Who can buy shares? Now, the good news is that anyone can buy shares. Anyone, whether you're a student, a worker, an entrepreneur, or even a retiree, as long as you have a bank account, a valid ID, and an access to a stock trading platform, you can literally get started with shares. Where can you buy shares? In the past, it used to be the traditional stock brokers and banks, but things have changed. Now you can buy shares directly from your phone using stock trading platforms. These are a few apps you can buy shares from, as you can see on your screen. You can use Trove. I personally use Trove. So use any platform that is okay for you. You can use Trove, you can use Bamboo, you can use Chaka, you can use Risevest. These are some of the most popular platforms you can use to buy shares. They all allow you to buy Nigerian and even foreign stocks like Apple, Tesla. You can buy these shares. Now let me show you what the Trove platform looks like. This is a little review of the Trove platform. So guys, this is what it looks like. You just type in, if you are using laptop, you just type in www.trovefinance.com. Just type in that in your device and it will bring you to this website, www.trovefinance.com. It will bring you to this website. If you are using smartphone, you can also download their app on Play Store. So because I already have an account with them, I will just click sign in and it will take me to my dashboard. It's very simple. From here I can access any company share that I want to. As you can see, these are the recent shares that I've been tracking. You can see Fidelity Bank, GT Bank. Let's say we want to buy Dangote shares. You just type in the company share that you want to buy, whether it's Dangote Cement, for instance. Click on Dangote Cement. Because I'm making this video on a Saturday and the market is closed, if I buy now, it is going to wait till the market opens before it can execute. So, but you can see Dangote Cement shares is at 440 naira per share. I can click buy and I will own a share in Dangote Cement. You can also see Dangote Sugar here. If you want to buy a share here, you can just click on buy. Of course, I have a share with Dangote Sugar. That's why it's also showing me sell. So you can literally buy any share as long as the company is listed in Nigerian stock market. Let's take for instance MTN. If you want to buy MTN shares, and just click MTN Nigeria. MTN Nigeria. So you can see what it is. So it's as simple as this. You can just click buy. As long as your portfolio is funded, you can just buy. And it's very easy to fund your portfolio. This is, you can see the interface, so I can just click here and it will take me to my portfolio, and you see where it's asking me to fund my portfolio. So I can click here and fund my portfolio. I can also withdraw from the portfolio. If I want to make withdrawals, I can withdraw from the portfolio. So it's a very nice and easy thing to do. You can literally do this on your smartphone. Just for demonstration purpose, that's why I'm using my system, and just to show you. So it's very easy to use. Particularly this Trove is very responsive, good interface, and every beginner can actually use it. Very easy. The customer service is also quite very efficient. They respond on time. I think from my experience with them, they have on the average they respond within a minute. And trust me, I've had a lot of contact with them, so they respond within a minute, in my own experience. So the same, just use any platform that you are comfortable with. You have Bamboo, you have different many apps and platforms that are quite good. You can actually buy shares from your phone or your laptop. You don't need to go to bank to do any paperwork. As long as you register and fund your portfolio, you can buy and sell shares on your platform. So I use True because it's beginner friendly. You can start with as low as 1,000 naira. They offer Nigerian and international stocks, and the app interface is very clean and easy to use, right? And of course, their customer care service is very, very responsive. So here is how shares I bought have performed in the last 1 month. I have shares with Fidelity Bank. I will show you Fidelity Bank. So let's see, today is 24. So let's see how this share have performed from 23rd of April to 23rd of May. That is exactly 1 month. So let's look at it. So it started at 20 naira 25 kobo on the 23rd of May, and today is at 18 naira 65 kobo. So you see that we've lost some money there. So let's also look at Nestle. I have shares with Nestle. Let's see how it has performed in the last 1 month. As you can see, the market is showing closed. It's showing the market. So the market is not open on weekends. Just for your information, the market opens 10 a.m. and closes 4 p.m. every business day. It opens 10 a.m. and closes 4 p.m. every business day. That is from Monday to Friday. So let's see how this has performed in the last 1 month, from 23rd of April to 23rd of May. So this is 23rd of April to 23rd of May. So I have shares with this Nestle. You can see the icon there to sell. So on the 23rd of April, the shares was at 1,000 naira. Nestle was at 1,000 naira per share, but today is at 1,590 naira per share. Is at 1,590 naira per share. So it's just the same thing, just like that. And you can see this interface, you can play around with it. You can bring it down to 1 month to see how the company have performed in the last 1 month. You can bring it back down to 1 week to see how it has performed within the week. You can take it to 6 months, 3 months, can even make it a year. I usually like going back to the seeing how the company have performed in the past 1 year before I invest. It's very important for me. So usually I will check how they have performed in the last 1 year before I invest. So is quite a good interface. You can also, if you don't like this, you can also change it to candlestick. If you are familiar with candlestick, you can change it to candlestick, of course. So what other shares do I have? I think I have Dangote Sugar, as I mentioned. So let's see how it has performed in the last 1 month. So Dangote Sugar, okay, I prefer lines. Let me take it back to lines. So Dangote Sugar from April 22nd, let's see. So on April 22nd, it was at, sorry, April 23, it was at 35 naira 80 kobo. But on the 23rd of May is at 39 naira. You can also check out GT. I have shares with GT. You can also check out how it has fared from April 23rd. Okay, this is April 23rd, so I expand it. So you see, it was at 61 naira on April 23rd, and now it have risen to 17 naira. So it's not always this good. There are some, just as you saw, Fidelity Bank. I bought Fidelity and it method. You can see it here. Let me bring it down to 1 month. So you see that this lost quite a number of value. So assuming I have 1,000 units of shares with these people, you know what it is. So the same thing applies to Nestle. If I had 1,000 units of shares with Nestle, you see that my return on investment must have increased. So I hope this helps. This is not a get rich quick scheme. It's a long-term thing, and anybody can do it. If you can buy a recharge card, if you can subscribe data, you can actually invest in the Nigerian stock market. Now, these numbers change constantly, so don't expect quick money. The key is long-term investment. So finally, these are the best practices for investing in the stock market, right? Before you rush up to download that app and start investing, here are some of the best practices to keep in mind. Number one, do your research. Do your research. Know what the company does, what they are into. Check the company's performance. It's very important. Number two, diversify. Don't put all your money into one stock. Spread it across different sectors. Maybe the banking sector, the oil and gas. Spread your money. It's safer that way. Then number three, start small. Invest what you can afford to lose. Don't carry all your savings and put there. Invest what you can afford to lose. Number four, think long term. Stock investing is not a get rich quick scheme. Think long term. Number five, stay informed. Follow financial news, join investment communities, and keep learning. That's how you improve on it. keep learning. So there you have it, guys. If you found this very helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you have any question or you need help getting started, let us know in the comment section, or you can send us an email. Until next time, happy investing. And don't forget, wealth is not built overnight, it's built over time. Thanks and God bless.